What's up, superstars? This is another episode of Superstar Spa Services. Today I have on my compression socks. I hope you have yours. You can get them anywhere on Amazon, Target. And we're going to be doing some ultrasonic cavitation, my favorite. Bursting fat cells permanently, lymphatic system. We're going to drain the lymphatic system. And I'll post some links about that, so for those of you that don't know, you can get into it. Guys, hey! How are you? We're gonna be doing some ultrasonic cavitation today on my tummy, so I can get that hourglass figure, you know, be looking tight and fine for the summertime. I'm gonna put some gloves on. Oh, I have a as well because my cat's been looking a little healthy and a little thick lately. So I'm compressing my calves, and I advise you to do the same. If you notice a little extra juice back there, I know y'all can't see, but I have y'all up high so you can really see the details of the 360 cavitation, ultrasonic cavitation, which permanently destroys cells. Because I'm using Snapchat, because these filters are just darn gorgeous, and so I can get my production team here right now, we're gonna be using Snapchat. I'm limited, so I have to do things kind of fast. So I got my gloves. This is ultrasonic cavitation gel or ultrasound gel, the same thing you use, what Kim K used to make sure that she didn't have anything in her booty, and it's all natural. She woke up like this, and don't we all? Okay. No hate, no shade. So I'm gonna add this to my tummy, and you wanna have a good amount, okay? Only because it burns the crap out of you if you don't have enough of this stuff. Some people use oil. Some people use other alternatives. I use ultrasound gel. Ready. So you can't see my screen right now, but in due time I will make a video so you can see exactly what I'm doing over here, pressing all these buttons. And I'm going to go to about halfway of the frequency because I don't want it too low and I don't want it too high. I'm going to go to mode. It's 4 modes, A, B, C, D. So I'm going to go to B. And then I'm going to do it for 15 minutes for my front, 15 minutes for my side, and 15 minutes on my back. And we're starting. Did I hear that? Uh-oh. And just so you can get a close-up, I'm going to turn you guys this way. There you go.
This one I'm going to do the job. I know that I did that. The cover my face, calling you la ba. Baby man, we know the way I ba da. Manuka, what's it called? Chihuahua, all the better. Take a step, ride the foot.
Less than 5 more minutes. Let's go. So yeah, basically Superstars, the goal is to be bad, have the waist snatched, all by the summertime, right? And I wanted to bring you all on my journey. I want you all to believe in Superstar Spa Services because we're here for you, the people. We have sauna services as well. And come book with us. We're the best. We're the best. Right now we're located in 3 different places, 2 on the West Coast, 1 on the East Coast. More details will be provided once we build up our social media at Superstar Spa Services on Instagram. So, where we at? 4 minutes. All right, and then I'm gonna clean up the shop as always. We're gonna use our Lysol, shout out to them, and maybe have to refill some ultrasound gel bottles and, you know, just clean up around the shop a little bit. I'm gonna post these on YouTube so you all can keep up with the journey and y'all can see the before and afters. I definitely will do some before and after photos for you, and along with the actual current videos. So stay posted. I love you, superstars, and you're about to be fine. It's 2020, snatched with a D. All right? Thanks. To snatched. Got that right here.